Hello everybody. Today we are in San Diego, California, 3443 Camino Del Rio South. And this time we have a US elevator based on this call button. Unlike the other building, this one's a US. Look at this elevator. Before I show you the fixtures, okay, I'll just show them to you. There they are. Yep, it's a US square. Here we go. Classic leveling too. I wonder something. Watch. Basic controller. Now it's going to reopen again. Very nice. It's got a basic controller. This is a cool elevator. Classic leveling and everything. This is a great elevator. Here's your certificate. I love those stop switches. They just look so cool. This is a cool elevator in general. All right, guys, that'll be it. Beautiful, beautiful US square.